Hello, I am back with another video, and today I just got oh my god, I'm literally so excited to use these finally. Oh my god, I literally ordered it the day that it launched. I just now got it. Today is March 5th. I'm very excited about it. So today we're going to be using, if you don't know what this is, the Jeffree Star brand new palette, the Bloodlust, and I might also be dipping into the Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette, Jeffree Star X Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. So let's hop right into this. Literally, guys, hello? Who is she? It's gonna have to be a purple moment, not gonna lie. It might have to be a purple moment. I am honestly really excited to use this as well. But I'm I don't know if I'm gonna reach for too many shades in here. Definitely gonna have to be more of the Bloodlust because I'm really feeling that whole purple moment. I'm going to be taking a nice little fluffy brush. And I think the first shade that I want to go in with is Deviance, which is this shade right here. And we're just gonna be throwing her in my crease. Okay, she is sheer the house. A little bit more on there. I am really going to blow this color out only because I feel like that just looks really great for my eye shape. Like I'm taking it almost all the way up to where my brow bone is, leaving like a centimeter of space. She's looking very cute and lilac-y. We love it. And then I'm going to be taking Vivid Moon. Right? Yes, right here. With the same fluffy brush. Just gonna go back into the crease again, but we're not gonna blow it out too much. I think I'm gonna go in with a touch of Blood Queen just to deepen it up a bit more. I'm using that same fluffy brush. Again, I swear, I love fluffy brushes. Now the question is, do we want to stop here? Or maybe do I want to, ooh, you know, it could look really sick. I think that I'm going to do a halo eye and put Pink Magic right in the center. It's like that super metallic shade. We're doing that. Okay. I'm going to take a little packer brush like this, just a little guy. And I'm taking Blood Queen again. And I'm going to pack it on the inner and outer portion of my eyeball. And I'm going to connect it, and then I'm going to, oh my god, that's looking insane right now. Okay. And now we're going to buff it the fuck out. I'm going to use a little bit of Vivid Moon and Deviant, just like blend it together. And buff that out. I'm going to take a little bit of Dungeon, which is this like purpley black shade right here. It's such a huge palette. Like, I'm like sitting here like, it's like my whole face, basically. So I'm going to take a fluffier, denser brush like this and dip in a Dungeon. Pull off any excess, and then I'm just going to use that to deepen up this little halo moment, just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to blend it out again. now I'm going to take Pink Magic. I'm going to use my little old finger. Really get in there. That feels so fucking nice. Okay. And place it on the inner portion of my lid. Not the inner portion, the middle portion of my lid. There we go. Now I'm going to blend it a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to be taking that same little black fluffy brush and I'm going to be dipping into Vivid Moon. And I'm taking that underneath my eye. And then a little bit of Dungeon on a smaller little brush. And then I'm going to be taking some of the Pink Magic again and I'm going to be putting that in my inner corner. I'm going to do the other eye and then eyeliner and mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. All right, and this is the final look. I decided not to do any winged eyeliner because I felt like I was just gonna take away from the shape that I created. And then I did add eyelashes, and then I did do these little guys down here, which are just like parts of a lash that I had cut off to like make them fit better on my eye. I think this looks really sick, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna bring you over to better lighting because this lighting sucks. So yeah, this is what I look like. It is a little intense, I'm not gonna lie. I do love it though. I think it looks really sick. Okay, so hi. Definitely didn't think that I was gonna be putting on a lipstick, but I did end up picking one out and then like a little bit of like a topper kind of lipstick. So I'm gonna show you what I did basically. So I used, these are Lime Crime. I used the shade Fetish, this darker purple one. Did that all over my lips. And then I used the shade Seashell Bra, which is this one. Basically, this one is super glittery, as you can like tell. I basically just put it in the center of my lips and then just together, and it just made this like really nice iridescent light purple sheen on top of the nice dark purple. So that's all. All right, I just wanted to show you really quick too. I added a little bit more to make it more vibrant, as you can see. Yeah, we love Lime Crime. Highly recommend their liquid lipsticks. They're really good. They're almost as good as Jeffree Star's, I swear to God. So, and they're relatively cheap if you can get them during like discount times. Like whenever I buy my Lime Crime lipsticks, I usually wait for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, because they like half the prices. It's insane. I love it so much. So definitely recommend Lime Crime if you're looking for a cheaper liquid lipstick, most definitely. And if you can wait for times like that when they have like super discounts, there you go. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.